This place is really humid. Stay alert, everyone. Something out there is watching us.
Whoa! This forest is like a giant maze. I don't like those weird echoes. There's a stream nearby, but it smells strange.
Look! Look! This light! It's not natural!
Everyone, step back.
Step back. Something is moving below us.
Follow me. I'll make the way.
Oh, looks tasty, but definitely not safe to eat. Keep moving. I hear footsteps behind us.
This temple here, it's marked as extremely dangerous.
Birds only fly like that when something scares them.
Shoo! Get out of here! Who's in there? Show yourself.
Whoa! I see smoke far away. Someone might be living in this forest.
This is not from any normal creature. The energy here is unstable.
I have a very bad feeling. Like, very bad.
Look, an ancient tunnel. We're not alone. Prepare yourselves.
That sound is not friendly.
Sola! Hurry! That thing is getting closer!